National University of Medical Sciences NUMS MD-CAT and Aptitude Test 2020 admissions in MBBS BDS coming up with details.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आर्ट एंड ओशन चैनल में खुश आमदीद एक नई इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ। और इस एडमिशन्स के हवाले से है इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट इज़ अबाउट नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस नम्स जो मशहूर है, उसमें एंट्री टेस्ट मेडिकल के हवाले से इंफॉर्मेशन आ गई है और आपसे शेयर की जा रही है। और अकॉर्डिंग टू सोर्सेज, नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस नम्स हैज़ अनाउंस्ड द रजिस्ट्रेशन schedule for the NUMS MD-CAT and Aptitude Test 2020. MD-CAT 2020 is compulsory for all those students who want to get admission in the universities affiliated with NUMS in the classes of MBBS or BDS. NUMS MD-CAT 2020 shall be conducted on October 11, 2020 at 10 a.m. and the candidates must reach their respective test centers at least 2 hours before the commencement of the test time on 11 October 2020 or 8 a.m. would be their reaching time to arrive. The centers will be sealed closed at 9:30 on test day. The candidates can select any of the city to appear in the entrance test. Candidates can register online for NUMS MD-CAT and Aptitude Test as per the following schedule. The online registration starts from 28th August 2020 and the online registration end will be 11th September 2020. National University of Medical Sciences shall conduct medical entrance test for the admissions to MBBS and BDS programs in affiliated public and private sector medical and dental colleges, institution for session 2020 to 21 on Sunday 11th October 2020 at 10 a.m. Fee for this test is Rs 3000 and all government SOPs must be followed on the test day. Mandatory. Candidates be able to download the roll number slips from 5 October 2020 onwards for NUMS MD-CAT portal by entering their CNIC, password, NICOP, NICOP number or Form B number, also called Form B. NUMS affiliated public and private medical and dental colleges details are 1. Army Medical College Rawalpindi, CMH Rawalpindi, High Tech Institute of Medical Sciences Texla Kent, CMH Multan, Wah Medical College Wah Kent, CMH Institute of Medical Sciences Bahawalpur Kent, CMH Khariyan, Karachi Institute of Medical Sciences Malir Kent, Quetta Institute of Medical Sciences Quetta. Suggested test centers for NUMS MD-CAT 2020 in following cities: Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Jhelum, Mangla, Khariyan, Gujranwala, Sirgoda, Lahore, Multan, Bahawalpur, Karachi, Hyderabad, Banu Aqil, Abbottabad, Peshawar, Riai Khan, Muzaffarabad and Quetta. Candidates must select at least 2 test centers or cities for test according to the order of preference. However, university reserves the rights to shift a student to another nearest city based on their seating capacity. Eligibility criteria for NUMS MD-CAT 2020. A candidate must have passed intermediate or higher secondary school certificate with pre-medical group or equivalent examination for those who are A levels or 12th grade etc. with minimum 65%. However, those awaiting result can also apply through Hope certificate. Mere appearance in NUMS MD-CAT does not confer the right to apply for a claim. The syllabus for the NUMS MD-CAT 2020 is available on the NUMS website. Candidates are advised to prepare for the test according to the syllabus from their textbooks. NUMS MDK 2020 pattern will be Biology 80 MCQs, Chemistry 60 MCQs, Physics 40 MCQs, English 20 MCQs, or the duration of the test shall be 150 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes plus 30 minutes MCQ based aptitude test, and these two are 30 minutes. Total marks shall be of 200 and there shall be no negative marking. After the 150 minutes MDK, students will have to take 30 minutes aptitude test, and it is mandatory but will not have any effect on your order of merit.
So important instructions again. The candidate must reach their respective test centers at least 2 hours before the commencement of test on 11 October 2020, i.e. by 8 am. The centers will be sealed closed at 9:30 am on the test day, and no entry will be allowed for the students. Your admit card roll number slips will be generated in respect of all eligible candidates, and candidates are required to download it from the NUMS MDK portal www.numspark.edu.pk by entering her CNIC, passport, NICOP, Form B number from October 5, 2020 onwards. The candidates must bring following item with them on the test day, specifically printed admit cards downloaded from website along with original Form B or original CNIC or original passport, NICOP. No other identity will be acceptable. In case of loss of Form B or CNIC, please provide original NADRA slip as proof that you have applied for the fresh Form B or CNIC. A clean clipboard, white या crystal clear. Number 3, 2 blue ball pens, not pointer, markers or pencils या gel pens. The student must adhere the government standard operating procedure SOPs for the COVID-19, for example, wearing proper mask and maintaining social distancing. The email address provided in online application form should be entered correctly and be kept functional always for any notification information from NUMS University. And the last is mobile phones, smart watches and other electronic gadgets are not allowed in the examination hall. Otherwise, strict disciplinary action shall be taken, which may also lead to cancellation of paper and will be debarred from the appearing in the upcoming medical entrance test. This issues with the consent and the signature of Chairman NUMS Admission Committee, NUMS Secretariat, Military Hospital, The Mall, Rawalpindi. For more information, you may visit NUMS website numspk.edu.pk or email mdcat.info@numspk.edu or a given phone numbers 051-9271-877 or 051-9270-439. Thank you. Keep watching Arch and Ocean. Kindly subscribe and share A&O Arch and Ocean. एंड मज़ीद आपको बताते चलें लेक्चरर भर्ती PPSC के लिए हमारी ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन क्लासेस जारी हैं। सब्जेक्ट साइकोलॉजी, एजुकेशन, सोशियोलॉजी, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, जनरल नॉलेज और इंटरव्यू की बेहतरीन तैयारी के लिए रब्ता कीजिए हमारे दिए गए एड्रेस पे aandoacademy@gmail.com पे। Once again requested, subscribe and must share Arch and Ocean with your dears and near ones. Thank you very much. Stay in touch, stay safe, stay connected.